As we all know, sleep is crucial to high performance and a healthy life. The last couple weeks I spent on the road doing 3,800 miles up and down the East Coast of America. I went from camping in 17-degree weather to walking in 65 degrees in a t-shirt and everything in between. It was an amazing trip and I slept great on the road. I had my Pillow Mini and I had my Pillow blanket. Both of those were lightweight, compact, easy to carry with me in my truck, and it was comforting knowing that whether I was in a camper, whether I was in a tent, whether I was in my truck, whether I was in a hotel, whether I was in a family member's house, I always had my pillow that perfectly supported my neck and I slept great. And then when I got home, I'm not going to lie, it was even better. I got in my pillow sheets with my pillow full size pillow, with my pillow mattress and my pillow mattress topper and my pillow gossamer blanket. I am sold on my pillow. I'm 48 years old right now. And like you, I've tried dozens of different blankets and pillows and sheets, and none of them have been as durable, as beautiful, as comfortable as the My Pillow products. So you can go to mypillow.com/remarkable. Use our special promo code remarkable. You're going to save 30 to 80% on everything you order. And most of the time with our promo code, get free shipping too. And that's an exclusive from Mike Lindell himself. So I'm David Pasqualone. I love My Pillow. In the comments below, let us know how you love your My Pillow, and we can't wait to hear your story soon.